So today we will discuss what should be the strategy for learning the physics for the JEE advanced perspective. Okay. So if we are learning the physics in the with the view of that we are getting good marks in the JEE advanced in the physics section. So the main thing is that in the physics for JEE advanced they ask like mathematics also in that. Okay. So mathematics part should also be good if we are aiming for the good marks for JEE advanced in physics. Okay. So if we are like solving any question and we are sticking in that mathematics part, so it is very much essential that we should be focusing on that mathematics part also. Okay. Because in the if we see in the JEE mains section, so there what is the strategy for making the JEE mains paper is that if we are seeing the JEE mains paper, we will be seeing that the questions are only the concept based. Okay. So if we are good at any concept in the physics, so we can solve that question. Okay. But in the JEE advanced thing, what is there? The concepts are there from different chapters also. Okay. So for example, there is a question of for example electrostatic. So there will be the concepts of force concept also. There will be the concepts of rotation motion also. Like that SHM also the concepts will be there. Okay. So if we are aiming for the question of let's say JEE advanced for the physics, so we should be good at these basic things also. Firstly, which are of the class 11. Then only we should be focusing on the rest part. Okay. And the mathematics part also we have to focus me if we are seeing that the questions for the JEE advanced. Okay. So and the next thing which we want to discuss is that if we are solving any question for the JEE advanced for the physics, so don't try to make a theory for that. Okay. Like or a trend for that this trend type questions only come in the JEE advanced, especially in the physics. Because if we see in the math part, so they cannot make a new question or the new type of concept. Because if we see the calculus, if we are good at the calculus, if we have solved the JEE advanced type questions so many, so we will be easily be able to solve the question for the math part. Because the concepts cannot be changed for the math part. Okay, in the physics concept cannot be changed, but what they can do, they can integrate the various concepts in the similar question. Okay, and they can make a new question. Okay, so at the time of the JEE advanced paper, when you will be solving the JEE advanced paper, what you will feel that there is a new concept involved in it. Okay, but the thing will be that will be the same concept, but the thing will be different. Okay, so but if you are good at the concepts of the physics, you will be easily be able to solve the question. Okay. So there is if we are aiming at the JEE advanced part of the physics, so it is very necessary that you should be good at the concepts and the conceptual questions only you should be able you are aiming to solve. Okay. And it is very necessary to solve the previous year question and all, but apart from that previous year question, you should be also good at the conceptual part of it, which is like apart from the previous year question. Okay. Thank you.